Only Robert knows it died? Robert knows it died?
I tried so much to save it.
He was right here. Yeah. I was looking for it. Right. So you have to mind some amazing, some little insignificant things. Take the one treat themselves.
I know that last piece here, when they put it in, I was inside the building there, and I cut it to Saturday morning, and I just shake when it dropped.
Remember the time when something happened and a pipe burst and the building went up? When just happened.
Yeah, man, downstairs. Yeah.
the remains of the slaves that were here.
Alright, I'll show them through here, the light monitors.
Yes.
I think that in class, but we can't still see.
So one of the access panel then? Access points?
Yeah.
For the pump, to reach the pump.
Oh, okay.
Alright, fine.
You see the clear stories, the light coming in.
They have in class now, so we can't really see, but they have light monitors. It's like put on here, and then they still use that in the series called masters.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have light monitors, right? So
Clear story.
Yeah, clear story. So they
So the
come,
stuff
yes.
like coming from the north.
Yes. The big lights, the lights up in here quite nice.
So during the day when you come, you do not really use the light.
Entire wall.
Yeah.
And he was asking about the fire escape.
Those are the fire escapes.
Yeah. So it's a floating staircase.
Yeah, remember he said that they expunge all of the fresh air that comes in straight out into the corridor.
That's what you're thinking about.
Well, not the fresh one.
Some women don't step on the minute. I'm afraid.
I don't step on the there except the student space. Out there, she's gonna
Then I hear umbrella this.
No, it is not.
Yes.
Don't capture it.
So this is
Already.
another panel room, but I'm having some issues getting in there with the car. I'm not sure what's going on today.
I noticed you have floor drains on the corridors.
Right, because it's a lab, so
It's open.
in case you want to wash.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And the corridor out here?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's open, so if it
It's
rains,
open.
you want the water to. Because having a little challenge, you know, where we're not getting the right temperature of water. So I think it's a little warm, so let's make it more to the Yeah, and I want to descale, so we're not getting the water. So by the time touch me, right?
Wow. Huh?
So when we're down in the basement, those tiered levels, we were down here, so that's basically what we're seeing.
Oh. Then get locked out, locked in.
They come in.
Yeah. Seriously?
What is it?